This video reveals actionable strategies that can help you generate a consistent $10,000 every month using ChatGPT's capabilities. Learn to tap into the power of ChatGPT for content creation. From blog posts to social media, AI can cut down the time needed for high-quality material. Focus on SEO and optimization to monetize your blog or website, driving organic traffic and boosting affiliate sales or ad revenue. You can start your own freelance business offering ChatGPT-powered services like writing, proofreading, or personalized coaching. By packaging these services, you can charge premium rates to clients who need quick and accurate content solutions. Learn how to leverage ChatGPT to create and sell digital products such as online courses and eBooks that automate content generation. These products can be sold on various platforms, creating a passive income stream that compounds over time. Explore how to scale your efforts by outsourcing tasks or automating repetitive work using ChatGPT. With the right mindset and persistence, this video shows you how to turn ChatGPT into a full-time income stream in just months.